Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Cleaning Hero Squad. Today, we're diving into a truly staggering challenge. Conquering Trash Mountain, Impossible Cleanup Challenge. This house, once a home filled with laughter and memories, has fallen victim to neglect and overwhelming clutter. The stench is almost palpable, and the chaos inside tells a haunting story of how quickly a space can become unlivable. Let's step inside and see just how bad it really is. As we walk through the front door, it's clear that this is no ordinary cleanup. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a nauseating smell, a mixture of mildew, garbage, and something else I can't quite put my finger on. This is the reality for so many people who struggle with hoarding and neglect. Walking into the room feels like stepping into a nightmare. The floor is engulfed in a thick layer of black, foul-smelling dirt that clings stubbornly to every inch of the surface. As the stench of dampness and decay assaults my nostrils, a wave of nausea washes over me. It's hard to believe that a space could become so neglected. Each step I take crunches underfoot, a jarring reminder of the chaos that has taken over this once inviting space. Every small step you take brings you closer to a fresh start. As you face the overwhelming mess before you, remember that even the most chaotic room can be transformed into a sanctuary with dedication and hard work. This journey is not just about cleaning. It's a powerful opportunity to release the past and make way for new beginnings. With each item you clear away, you're not just tidying up a space. You're creating a fresh canvas for your dreams to flourish. The sight is absolutely horrifying. Years of thick, black grease cling relentlessly to the once pristine white tiles, transforming them into a disturbing reminder of neglect. What should be a bright and welcoming surface is now tainted by an oily residue that seems to seep into every crack and crevice. Each tile whispers tales of forgotten meals and careless spills, creating a grotesque patchwork of filth and decay. As they tackle stubborn stains and grime, the squad exchanges stories and jokes, turning what could be a daunting chore into a fun, collaborative effort. There's a profound sense of pride in knowing their hard work is making a significant difference. The kitchen, once a chaotic mess, is gradually transforming into a bright, inviting space filled with warmth. With every swipe of the cloth, a sense of determination and purpose ignites within the team. The air is filled with excitement as we work together, sharing lighthearted banter and laughter, turning a mundane chore into a joyous, bonding experience. Each pass of the cloth reveals the table's hidden beauty, and the growing shine mirrors our enthusiasm. Each room reveals a new layer of chaos. Here in the living room, furniture is piled high with miscellaneous items, while the floor is barely visible under layers of dust and debris. The smell is thick, almost suffocating. It's hard to believe that a family once shared this space, creating memories and laughter. Now it stands as a stark reminder of how neglect can take over a home. As we stand in the doorway of the bathroom, a wave of nausea washes over us, the stench of neglect wrapping around us like a heavy blanket. The sight is nothing short of horrifying. The once bright, gleaming white tiles are now covered in a thick layer of dark grime, their pristine shine completely lost. It feels like stepping into a nightmare, where cleanliness has long been abandoned. Every layer of dirt is a story waiting to be rewritten. Every speck of dust is a chance for change. The very mess that surrounds us is a testament to life's journey, filled with memories and moments. And now we have the power to turn that journey into something beautiful. This is not just about cleaning, it's about reclaiming a space that deserves to shine, a space that can once again be filled with laughter, warmth, and love. What an incredible transformation we've achieved together. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Cleaning Hero Squad family. Your support helps us make a difference, one cleanup at a time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure.